Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview webhooks for real-time alerts. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is access the webhook feature. So you can access the webhook feature by clicking on the webhook button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 is to set up a webhook for real-time alerts. So go ahead and set up a webhook for real-time alerts, including price movements, indicator signals, or other market events. Step 3 is to use the webhook to send alerts to your application. So you can use the webhook to send alerts to your application, including messaging apps, emails, or other services. And the fourth and final step is to monitor and manage your webhooks. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview webhooks for real-time alerts. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next